Hello everybody. Today I'm doing a video, or my first ever video on my Casdon toy Henry. Sorry that my last video was a bit weird. I decided to do a quick video of the homemade slime I made. It was blue tack and soap. Sorry if you think I'm quitting YouTube a bit. I am not. I am not dead at all. Because you do know I do make lots of videos like constantly, but I haven't really well, I won't be doing videos much now because it's just like I'm doing them too much. And for the people who subscribe to me, and have rung my notification bell, I'm just thinking, and I have rung my notification bell, I've just been thinking that you might have just been, just like fed up with me doing videos all the time. So I won't be doing videos much. I will be doing a video of Henry and Hetty's Halloween. Well, that's not going to be the next video, but in 2000 no, sorry, I was just thinking about something different. Yeah, Henry and Hetty's Halloween. It's not going to be the next video, but that's one of the videos I'm going to be doing. And we bought some Halloween pumpkins today, and we got a big and a small one, and the big one we're going to put a Henry face on. Hopefully they won't go off because we have to buy new ones then. The second one I'm going to use the pumpkin stem as the nose, but Henry, don't do that in the video. He always comes alive after like a few seconds. Yeah, but here it is. Yep. I'm taking this out back for months. Also, my Henry ball's de-inflated. It's because of the radiator's heat. It actually made the valve burst open, and then it might have just... It's not broken or anything. If that breaks, that's going to be a complete waste of money because that's very rare. And it's very hard to get. So I'm going to put this for you and put this. Yep. I don't think he works. Let's try him. Ooh, he does. I'm very surprised. Let's take out his little caddy. Oh, look, all those polystyrene balls. Oh, God, they're all inside. Let's do a mini demo, shall we? My mum hates me doing this. Hopefully she doesn't find out. Anyway, she'll know that I'll hoover it up. Okay, guys. I wish I had my tripod in this video. Yeah, I got a tripod, but I never used it. Okay. Tip Henry over, and we're gonna be... Wait, tell you what, sorry I paused then, guys. I just realised I had the hose, so now we can properly do it. Yay. Ooh. Yeah, that was a little review of my Casdon toy Henry, and it was actually my first video. Well, it wasn't the first video I'd shown it in, but this is the first video I done a full demo with it. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and